Hi everyone, it's Gayle. I am here with a few quick little happy mails, and I feel so badly. This happy mail from Barb, it was in a pile of stuff on my desk, and it's been there for quite some time, and I so apologize, Barb. I just cleaned up yesterday, and who knows what you find when you clean up. So she found a great deal on some lace, she said. So she sent me some wonderful lace. Yep, I think they're both the same pattern. So she sent me a good bit of that, so that's awesome. And then she gave me an example of it coffee dyed, which is so pretty. So I think I might do that too. Go ahead and coffee dye it. So pretty. Thank you so much, Barb. And then some white rose ribbon here. And she said she used to have her own antique business, and these cards were something you might find a way of using. Oh, yes. Gosh, love a vintage postcard. Look at these. Aren't these neat? Look at the writing on the back. I always love the writing. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I love that. Oh, look at the back. Those are wonderful. Yes. Oh gosh, I just love that writing. It's so pretty. And then there's this Christmas one. And this one's 1913. Isn't that something? Oh, Barb, thank you so much for these little treasures. Let's see. I'm going to put this and your note here. Barb was looking for a little advice about how to get started making journals, and maybe I can link them below, but in my tutorials playlist, I have some beginner tutorials for just a simple bag journal. I also have one for a simple traveler's notebook journal. And those are great ways to start, and you can just follow along those tutorials if you want to. So I'll try and remember to attach those down in the description box below. So that was from Barb. Thank you so much, Barb. And then this, oh my goodness, look at this. So you might just wonder about what this is. I am going to read you. I got this from Mary Peterson. She is 3 Insistent Dogs on Etsy. I'll link her below. But let me just read you the letter because she explains it. A couple of years ago, I asked my dad to sculpt this little hand for me to hold my fine line glue bottle upside down to keep it ready to go. I've been making castings and selling a few here and there without the bottles, but since, thanks to you, I sold out of all my coffee dyed paper kits, I decided to invest in the bottles. I got them straight from Fine Line in California, and they said it was okay to sell them this way. Unscrew the large white cap and fill it with glue. Art glitter glue, Scotch, or Aleene's all work well. Fabri-Tac and glassy accents do not work. I've gotten to the point where I can one-handedly stick the bottle back into the cap. Sometimes I have to squint. So you fill it, you put this back on, and then look at you put the fine line on sorry, I have to pick it up because I can't see what I'm doing. You put the fine line on the pin that's sticking up, and then you screw it on like this, and your glue then is always at the bottom. She says, since my dad made the original hand, he has had several strokes and is pretty much blind and doesn't have the use of his one side. This is one of the last art projects he was able to do. Isn't that special too? I have about 50 in my shop now, and if people like them, I will invest in more casting supplies and bottles. I hope that it helps your crafting go easier. Mary Peterson, and she's 3 Insistent Dogs on Etsy. She calls it Sticky Situation Handy Helpers. And let me show you these pictures that she kind of showed how it goes. So yeah, so you just screw it into the cap here at the top. Let me just get it undone and show you. So see, it's got the pin to go into the fine line, and you pop it on there, and then you twist it down and it holds your glue upside down. Isn't that so clever? So clever of Mary and her dad. So she sent me one of those. So if you're interested in those, pop on over. She said she has about 50 in her shop, but you know how all our pals like to shop. So you might, if you want one, you might want to hurry over there. So that is so awesome. Thank you, Mary. And then I have a box down here on the floor. Look at this so cute card. This Happy Mail is from, let's see. This one is from Robyn and Nancy. So cute. And so she, Nancy is starting along with Robyn. They're starting to collect things and starting on their journal journey. So let me just pull some stuff out of bags. Oh, guys, look at this. Look at this big old bag of, these are chilies. You know, they put the napkin and the silverware in them. Chilies bags. Holy moly, that's a lot of chilies bags. Oh, that's awesome. The whole bag is chili bags. That's so fun. I'll be sharing those. I'll be sharing those. And using them in every journal, I think. Okay, let's look in this bag. Oh, that just makes me giggle. Robyn, that's so funny. So I think Robyn emailed me and she said, did your Happy Mail come? And I said, it was buried under stuff. I'm so sorry. Well, actually, that was Barb's that was buried. So I am sorry, Barb. So she sent some ribbon. She sent some little, looks like little ephemera pieces. Oh, they're all Halloween ones. Halloween ephemera. Halloween's past, but you know it comes every year. It's just like Christmas. It comes every year. And this is, I think this is just white paper, but fun paper. It's got a nice texture to it. To cut that up and make that into pages. Some sacks. These look like, I don't know. These look more ephemera. More ephemera. Simple stories. Some Christmas ephemera. Awesome. I'm going to have to, once again, I'm going to have to do my little sort and get these into my Christmas stuff over there. Awesome. Thank you so much, Robyn and Nancy. Thank you. Oh, goodness. And some napkins. That one. Oh, my gosh. Look at how cute that is. And then this one for Christmas. And then some littler napkins, smaller napkins. I don't even know if littler is a word. Oh, look at how cute that is, that little room. Couple of each, looks like. Oh my gosh, those are adorable. Love those. Oh, that's cute. Oh, and a fall one. Love it. Oh, isn't that fun with veggies? It's veggies. Elf children. And Santa. The snowman. A Christmas tree. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Robyn and Nancy. Thank you. Let's see. And then these are, you know, long napkins. Floral and kind of a geometric. And then, this is fun. It's a bakery bag. And it's got a little window. That could be fun. Oh, this is miscellaneous things we thought you would be able to use. Well, I sure would be able to use them. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So there, that's just one bag. There is more at the bottom. Oh, those chili bags still have me giggling. Because, you know, I have been so bold as to ask the waitress before if there was any, did she have any unused ones that she might be to let me have. And, yeah, so I've done it. I have done it. Okay, and then the bottom. Okay. All right. Okay, I got everything out, so we're good here. Okay. Nancy is a sewer, and these were some laces and trims she would like to share with you. Oh, that's so nice. Thank you, Nancy. Look at how pretty. Oh my, look at these. Oh my goodness. Okay, there's several here. I thought it was all this one, but look at that. Isn't that pretty? And look at this one. Those are lovely. Thank you so much, Nancy. That's pretty. That's another piece of that. Yeah. Oh, that is so pretty. Thank you. Those are lovely. And this is one of those fun ones where you can thread colored ribbon through. Thank you so much, Nancy. That was so sweet of you. Thank you. So let's pop those back in. Let's see. Oh, this has a note too. Oh, look at this. My dad owns a coin shop. He uses cardboard flips for his coins. I took 2 and made ephemera out of them that we can use in our album. Here is a sample to share with you. Isn't that adorable? Look at how cute. So she put 2 together. Because, you know, I don't know where it is right now, but I got some of these in another Happy Mail, these coin things, and I folded over one and put dried flowers in there. Somebody also suggested beads or sequins to make a little shaker, but that is adorable as well. Oh my gosh, that's so cute, Robyn. Thank you. I need to put that in my December daily, so that will get sorted over there when I sort. Here are some pieces of the Christmas fabrics we've chosen for our albums. Okay. Oh, how fun. That's beautiful with the music. Isn't that pretty? So pretty. One look at this one. Isn't that pretty? I love the traditional colors of Christmas too. Oh, and isn't this lovely? This is multi-purpose. Multi-purpose. I was looking for a name of it. Isn't that pretty? Oh, and she gave me this too, and I love that. Love the part that probably most people who sew throw away. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the fabrics. That's awesome. Really fun. And then this is Nancy visited China, and here are a few things she thought you might use in your journals that she purchased when she was there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is like a little coin envelope. There's a couple of them here. Aren't those cool? All gold embossed. Oh my goodness. These are like little kites. How fun. Yeah, those are little kites. Those are fun. My little noggin is just thinking about how to use those. That is so fun. Thank you, Nancy. Visited China. That's cool. Okay, and then lace collars and pieces. Oh my gosh. These vintage laces and trims came from Nancy's Aunt Bee. They are about the 1930s, her cousin thought. So collars. And look at these. Aren't these pretty? Oh, they're just so delicate and so pretty. Oh, those are lovely. Thank you for sharing those with me, Nancy. Wow, that one is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Yes, these are beautiful. I might have to scan them because it's so hard for me to use these. Oh, so pretty. Yes. Thank you so much. These are just lovely. Look at that. It's a kind of a faux front. Faux front blouse. Wow. Those are beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing those. That is amazing. Thank you, thank you. Oh my goodness. Yes, thank you so much, you two. Thank you, Robyn and Nancy. That is just a box full of fun right there. Okay. Okay, so that is it for this Happy Mail video. Thank you so much to all of you ladies, all of you 4 ladies, for these wonderful Happy Mails. And be sure to check out Mary's Fine Line Applicator for glue if you're interested. And just thank you so much for popping by and watching. Well, have a grateful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.